As working environments continue to evolve and the challenge of effectively engaging individuals across varied workspaces increases, Ricoh is here to support you, your employees, and your customers' changing needs. The Ricoh Interactive Flat Panel Display Solution is a collaborative digital whiteboard that enhances customer and employee-facing engagements. In the office or remote, our solution helps all employees and clients feel equal by encouraging active participation during meetings, presentations, and brainstorming sessions. Whether a corporate training, sales presentation, or executive meeting, Ricoh's solution enhances a conference room setting where the presenter and all attendees can see one another in real time. Speakers are empowered when they can witness the reactions and comprehensions of their attendees, answer questions, and retain attention. While sitting comfortably at home or in the office, attendees can see both the speaker standing at the Ricoh Interactive Flat Panel display and a close-up visual of the presentation being shared. This digital whiteboard connects wirelessly to the Internet and directly to computers and tablets to share information, Word documents, PDFs, images, videos, PowerPoint presentations, and document cameras are easily showcased on the display panel. Presenters can zoom in and out of content with their fingers, highlight important information, and mark up the content with styluses on the touchscreen. All information is automatically and securely saved and can be exported to one central location. Ricoh also provides on-site or remote support to train presenters on how to use the whiteboard and to ensure the technology works seamlessly. Contact your Ricoh representative to schedule a demonstration